Help video finding holes algebraically. So in this video, we're going to be finding our holes. So the first step is to factor everything. So I'm going to factor this out. So using your guys' x method, you should have gotten x plus 10 times x plus 4. And on the bottom, you guys, you can factor out a 3 out from both of those terms, which would give you 3x minus 5. Now, as you guys can see, to find holes, you cancel from top and bottom, set what you canceled equal to 0, and solve for x. But when you guys take a look at number 1, you cannot cancel anything from top and bottom, which means for this one, there are no holes because there is no cancellation. Alright, so let's look at number 2, right? Let's take a look at number 2. Now, we have to factor everything. So notice you can factor out a 3 from all of these terms. So 3x squared plus 51 divided by 3 is 17x. 210 divided by 3, you guys, is 70. All over. Now for this trinomial, you guys, you do your x method, and when you do your x method, you would notice it would be x plus 7 times x minus 2. Now we can also do the x method right here, you guys. So again, two things that multiply to 70, but when you add it gives you guys 17. That's x plus 10 times x plus 7. Again, it's using the x method. And on the bottom, we still have x plus 7 times x minus 2. So we factored out everything. Now to find holes, cancel from top and bottom. Well, I noticed we could cancel off the x plus 7s, right? So then all that's left is 3 times x plus 10 over x minus 2. Now notice, we did cancel the x plus 7s, right? So in our notes it says, set what you canceled equal to 0 and solve for x. So we had x plus 7 is what we canceled, set it equal to 0 and solve for x. So we have x equals negative 7. Now it says, then substitute your x value, which is this, into the equation after cancellation. And this is the equation after we canceled, right? So our y value, guys, will be 3 times negative 7 plus 10, negative 7 minus 2. 3 times negative 7 plus 10 is 3. Negative 7 minus 2, guys, is negative 9. 9 over negative 9, which is negative 1. So our whole, oops, let me share my screen again. But as you guys saw, our whole is going to be, I believe it's going to be at, oh, hold on. It's raining right now. So our whole is going to be negative 7 comma negative 1. Here's our x, and this is our y value. Alright, let's look at another one. So factor out everything. This is a difference of squares, so square root both of those. So we're going to get x plus 5 times x minus 5. And we can factor out a 2 from the bottom for x plus 5. These cancel, so we're going to get x minus 5 over 2. Now, again, to find our holes, we cancel from top and bottom, which we did, and then set what you canceled equal to 0. Well, we canceled out x plus 5, you guys, so x plus 5 is going to equal to 0. Subtract 5 to both sides, so x equals negative 5. Then, substitute your x value into the new equation, or into the equation after the cancellation to find our y value. So we're going to have negative 5 minus 5 all over 2. Negative 10 over 2, which is negative 5. So our whole is going to be at negative 5 comma negative 5. And that is how you guys find your holes.